How to make your immune system stronger. Immune system is a complete network of organs and cells that work together to protect you from pathogens or disease-causing agents, such as bacteria, viruses, and other microbes, and wards off disease. But sometimes, the immune system fails. A pathogen invades successfully and makes you sick. How to prevent this invasion and strengthen your defenses against notorious pathogens. The idea of boosting your immunity is tempting, but the ability to do so has proved to be hard to achieve for a number of reasons. Our immune system is a system, not a single entity. To function properly, it requires balance. Good diet boosts the immune system. Like any strong army, healthy immune system soldiers need proper, regular nourishment. Researchers have long recognized that people who live below the poverty line are malnourished and are more vulnerable to infectious diseases. A healthful diet plays a critical role in boosting immunity, but it's just one way to support a healthy immune system. Proper sleep. When it comes to maintaining a strong immune system, sleep plays a vital role. While ample sleep won't necessarily make you illness-free, but skimping on it could have adverse effects on your immune system, leaving you susceptible to various diseases. Without proper sleep, your body makes fewer cytokines, a type of protein that targets inflammation and infection, creating an effective immune response. Relieve yourself from stress. Psychologists suggest that there's a link between the mind and the body. A wide variety of maladies, including upset stomach, headaches, and even heart disease, are all linked to the effects of stress. Chronic stress makes you more vulnerable to illness, from cough and cold to serious diseases. Easing stress decreases levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. It also helps get sleep better, which in turn improves immune function. Studies show that people who feel connected to friends and family have much stronger immunity than those who feel alone. Exercise well. Everyone wishes to get a healthy immune system, but what's the ticket? Regular exercise. Exercise contributes to overall fitness. It improves cardiovascular health, decreases blood pressure, helps control body weight, and it can also strengthen your immune system, the body's defense against infections. Modern research suggests that moderate intensity exercise may reduce the number of colds you get. It includes activities like a 20 to 30-minute walk every day, going to the gym every other day, or cycling with your family a few times a week. Don't overdose on antibiotics. Researchers have long known that overdose of antibiotics can do more harm than good. Overuse can cause antibiotic resistance, or the ability of a microbe to resist the effects of medication. Avoid smoking and alcoholism. Smoking and alcoholism are notorious for having hazardous effects on health. Excessive alcohol consumption impairs the immune system and raises the risk of liver damage, lung infections, and kidney failure. Excessive smoking undermines basic immune defenses and increases vulnerability to bronchitis and pneumonia, a respiratory infection that results in inflammation of one or both lungs. To boost your immunity, practice these key guidelines. You will maximize your ability to ward off diseases. Healthy people are happy people.